Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP. ABAP Tip 10. So basically, therefore, to show you this, here I'm currently in the built-in ABAP editor, in the object navigator, in the transaction SE80. And to show you this, basically, I will move me a little bit to the top right area, because here in the bottom right area, there you can see a tiny button, but really useful. So if you click on this, then here you open up the options, and here you can set up really useful settings like also the code templates. I recommend using code templates because this will speed up implementing recurring ABAP coding, and here you have already some built-in. The block is a custom one that I would like to show you this, but here you have these already built in, and you can explore them because here you can see the template name, and the template name is the one you can reuse in the coding. If you type in the template name and then you hit the tab key on your keyboard, and then here this coding will be inserted. And if you have some variables, so you can see these with the percentage sign, so starting and ending with percentage, and then you will ask to insert a variable, and then this will be replaced by your input. So you can explore this, you can define old ones. I have defined the block code template, and this is what I would like to show you. So here in the bottom right area, there you can see this. We can also see this, for example, in the ABAP editor. So here we have also this button for the code templates. Here you have the block. And once again, if you would like to use it, you have to set the focus into the ABAP editor where you would like to use and insert the code templates. And there I have to be a little bit fast. You have to type in the name of the code template, and then afterwards you can see the tooltip. Once you see the tooltip, hit the tab key on your keyboard, and then you will insert the code template. So let's do this. I will enter block, and then you could theoretically see on top the tooltip. So if I wait a couple of seconds, then it will be gone. So once again, block, you can see this, and then I hit the tab key, and here you can enter the comment. So for example, this is a comment, whatever you want to. So, and then here you have inserted your comment. You can also do this, for example, for the if, for a try catch. So there you can see, just type in the name of the template, hit the tab key, and then this will be inserted. Highly useful. I have already made an own video about code templates, to explaining you also the different possibilities to use predefined variables like a timestamp and so on. So if you would like to get to know more about this, then I will link the corresponding video getting you more information about this. Yeah, but by saying this, if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment section. Please like this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to not miss great upcoming videos, especially to ABAP tips and tricks. 90 more videos still left. So thank you so much, and see you in the next video.